Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all what is in my freight broker or truck broker / dispatcher business plan template. So the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm going to then introduce y'all to the Word document portion of the freight broker or truck broker / dispatcher business plan template. And then I'll also briefly introduce y'all to the Excel model or the Excel file that includes the financial model that's customized for the freight broker or truck broker industry. So again, yeah, that's the way this video is going to play out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip right through it. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer as well as a business plan writer. So if y'all don't want to mess around with a business plan template for your trucking, truck dispatcher, or your truck broker business, then feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. And I am also a published author on Amazon.com. So if y'all do want some business plan writing books, tips and tricks, I've got books published on there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you're able to handle the business plan portion of it, the Word document portion of it with filling out the template, but you're just struggling with those numbers, that financial model is still giving you a hard time, even though I've got tutorials on it, feel free to pick up the phone, call me. I'd love to do it for you. All right, so without further ado, here is the Word document portion of my trucking broker / and or dispatcher company business plan template. For this template right here, again, it comes with a Word document and also the Excel model. At the end of the video, I'll also show you all the link as to where you can buy it if you're interested. All right, so here's the title page, and with the title page, you can go ahead and put your logo on the title, or you can just put your name of your company right here, whatever works best for you. The next section is going to be your table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you go ahead and build out the business plan template, add your information, maybe add a little bit more details to it. Once you're done, come over here to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and boom, the table will update magically for you. Next section is going to be your executive summary section. The executive summary section for the trucking broker and dispatcher company business. What this does is it summarizes the totality of your business plan in one page. So the components that you're going to find on the template is going to be the trucking broker and dispatch company summary, the target market, the financial highlights. Once you get to the financial highlights, wait to fill this information in until you're done with the Excel file. So this is what you're going to see when you get the Excel file, when you make the purchase for the template. It's going to come with a Word document, which is what we're reviewing, and then this Excel file. Once you follow the tutorial, and there is a separate tutorial for this, once you go through the tutorial to fill out this information here, what's going to happen is it's going to update all your financial projections. And on the projections tab, these first three numbers right here is what you're going to be interested in when you're completing your financial highlights section. So if you'll see, 2.2 million lines up with the first number, 2.1 million lines up with the second number, and 108,000 lines up with the third number. Your next section is going to be your funding request. How much money are you going to need to get the party started, and the terms you're expecting. All right, so once you're done with the executive summary section, you're then going to dive into the actual business plan itself. And so for the company description section, again, you've got your company's summary right here. Your products and services, go ahead and describe those right here. Competitive advantages, I give you all a good start, but you can either keep it or you can change it, completely up to you. Primary target market, who's your customers and where are they? Fill in that information here or just leave it as is. Pricing strategy. Then we've got hours of operations section, a location section, and then a business objectives and a timeline section. So I give you all, again, a real good start here, and you can fill it out. You can make it more specific. You can add more information to it. Completely up to you. Industry analysis. I've already done some research for you from IBIS World. I summarized that information. And the industry research is the freight forwarding brokerages and agencies industry in the U.S., and here is the updated information for that. You'll also have a SWOT analysis. This is in a smart art form. To make the changes, just click on it. And then you got a little tiny arrow right here, and you want to click on that arrow. And then the information here, the information pops up here. Feel free to make whatever changes. This is pretty general for the freight broker or truck broker business industry, but you feel free to make it your own. Next section is going to be organizational structure, what your company is going to look like, or what does it look like. Ownership sections right here. And then again, we got an organizational chart, and you just click on it, smart art again, and just make whatever changes you need to make here, and it will update accordingly. Marketing section, based on my experiences with freight brokers or truck brokers and dispatchers, y'all are going to be hitting the advertising in 3 different segments, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. So I give you a good start for each one of those. The template also comes with a funding request. Right here is how much money you need to get the party started again. And then this information is going to be the terms you're expecting. And then finally, we get into the financial projections. My financial projections are broken up into 12-month profit and loss, then a 5-year pro forma income statement. And each month is broken into, the first year is broken into quarters. So month 1 through month 3, quarter 1. And then we've got 4 through 6, quarter 2. 7 through 9, quarter 3. 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then here is our pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. So in order to update this information, again, watch the tutorial for my Excel financial model and how to fill this information out here. But once you make all your changes on the information page, then what you would do is you go to the profit and loss page. You would copy and paste this information here into the business plan. And then the same thing for your pro forma income statement. You want to copy it, and once you're done with updating all the information, you want to highlight what's currently in the business plan, get rid of it, hit Control V, and now you've got an updated income statement based on your information. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And so in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my freight broker or truck broker business plan template, it does come with the Word document that I just showed y'all how to use. It also comes with the basic financial model that I briefly introduced to y'all. And again, I do have a separate video to help y'all customize the Excel financial model. What is not included, it's not compatible. So it is a Word document in an Excel file, so it is not compatible with Google Docs. It is also not compatible with Apple products. And then also, finally, there is no free phone support. So if you have questions before you buy your truck broker / dispatcher business plan template, if you have questions before you want to buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to have a conversation with you. After you purchase the truck broker / dispatcher business plan template, I will then refer y'all to my business plan tutorials, which is right here. I have got several tutorials to help y'all understand how to use the Word document, how to fill out the sections, how to use the Excel file, and how to make whatever changes you can make. So make sure to exploit the opportunities available in my tutorials. And then finally, if y'all do want a custom business plan written, feel free to visit my prices page right here. I would be delighted to help y'all with a custom business plan. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And as always, go out and make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.